former school teacher, but now my own boss, a wife and mother, a world traveler, working my own hours. Be seen, be heard. Time with family, doing things we love. Fully fund all retirement accounts each year. Fund kids' education account every year and save for a house. I chose this girl and I put, because to me she kind of like had the same features as me, but we don't look like exactly like, so I put real is rare because nowadays like all this body modification, you really don't know what's going on. This is either Italy or Greece. I want to go there. Yeah, that's what I thought. Dream it, plan it, do it. Make money online. Step 1 for my business is to train in my off hours. 2, know why you're launching. 3, write it down. 4, take your benchmarks seriously. 5, enlist key critics. 6, prep your personal life. 7, build a home budget. And 8, find your people. I am the master of my own destiny, and this is the light. I found the light. Grow, impact, and innovate. Built a company that redefines everything. And it says, I invest in my joy. My joy always leads to prosperity. Golden opportunity, thumbs up. And I have a lot of Zen and yoga pictures because that's a goal that I'm trying to become more spiritually grounded. And also I have this clock over here, this watch over here, because 1, I like that watch, but 2, all of these important things, there's a time limit on everything, and I want to make sure that I accomplish them all in time.
Yay! Everybody clap it up! Go ahead, Mira.
You gotta talk louder.
And this watch is for when the time is.
Can somebody hold it for her while she's playing?
And this is when it's used for when your skin is rough and this doesn't this concept that's making the go out. I have to learn to go and this out. And then this is Parker Rose Parker Park. This is a ground that is used to in this one they have. This is a card here and this is when you have
Very good job. Did you have something on the back, Mira? Did you want to show this too?
this is what you wear and this is what you eat. This is what you wear.
Very good job.
Yay! Good job.
This is just my board that has like a
Go ahead, Cache. She like attention, please.
this is my board that says money and what do you call them? I forgot. Models and
Why you put models?
yeah, because I like models. I don't want to be one.
Okay, all right.
I can see that.
And it was supposed to be Love Your Dog, but it came off, so I ended up too. So I just dropped because Miss Zakira said that was cheating. And then I just put this random key.
Okay.
Very good job.
Now, basically with my vision board, it's all about me taking my situation, my job to the next level. I love my job, but I also want to start my own business here shortly. The one thing I want to accomplish this year is to get a better credit score. My credit is a little dinged up right now, so hopefully with me improving some things in my life, this will be obtainable, 750 at least. That's very, very good. I also want to enjoy life more, the quality of life, the efficiency of life, springing to a new routine, meaning I got to do something different. If I want to not work a 9-to-5 job, I have to do things differently to obtain me not to work at a 9-to-5 job. So that's why I get that there. unlimited. I want it to be unlimited. The business that I want to get into, I want it to be to where it can gravitate to everyone, young people, old people, black, white, doesn't matter. Hopefully I can present something to people that everyone could obtain. So that's why I got it there. My well-being, taking care of myself, eating better, exercising more. Because if I'm not healthy, I can't do any of this stuff here. Lower some bills. I need to figure out a way to not be as forgiving of giving my money out. I need to stop giving out more money and start bringing in a little bit more. So that's why I got that there. And when I do a new business, a lot of people stop because things may happen. But I think in order to have a successful business, you need to ask yourself what went wrong and try not to repeat that same situation so you don't have that to come up again. Greener. Eating green. I need to start eating more green leafy vegetables and going green on an eco stand as well. I want to travel the Americas, the states I should say. I know we're going to Florida shortly, going to see my sister in Texas, and hopefully we can get out to Vegas this year and New York City this year and New Jersey again as well, as we normally do. And this right here, start something beautiful. Whatever I want to start, whatever my business is, I want it to be something very beautiful. And I think that is it, and I gotta trust myself, and I have to dream big. Yes.
Yay!
Give me $8.
Okay.
He had it in a frame.
Okay, so I put fortune because I like Unported. So I put this because I like I want to have this house eventually. Grow healthy. I just want to grow. Who doesn't want to grow healthy? So I put that one there. Money, of course, because I want to have a lot of money. Natural stone. I just put this because it's like part of my house. I wanted, so I put that. $1,000. I put that on there too. Tough just got better, so I put that on there. So, yeah. So best companies. I want to have like a company eventually, so I want to have like the best companies. So then I put invest, so I can like do stuff in the future. And I put another house, and I put basketball in my career, and I also put a car because I want to have a car, a Rolex, because I like Rolexes. W because I want to take a lot of W's. And then I put star because I want to be in a star on the court, which is all these legends here. So I put that on there too. So yeah.
That's it.
Let's take a lot of W's. Win.
Cat daddy.
I want a new watch because JoJo broke my watch.
Damn.
Either I want this car or this car, or I want a laptop. And I want to be like Spider-Man and have a hotel I own. And I also, I don't know if this is.
Okay.
I just want my free rooms.
What about the bag? No, what about the bag? You have something on the bag?
I want to have a family car. And I also want to have like a really good car. And I want to be like Spider-Man. Have a lot of balloons. Be able to make art. And because I'm American, I put the American flag on. And I also want to be like a person who's able to talk in front of an audience.
Oh wow, this is a nice start.
Very
Yeah.
good job.
JoJo's on again.
I have down a cat and a dog because I have down a cat and a dog because I love dogs and cats, and I'll have a lot of animals one day. I have a money chair and a vault that has money coming out of it because when I be rich one day. I have these 2 plates that have food on it because I love to cook. I also love Pokemon, the Samsung phones, Xbox Ones, and I want to live my life to my best. I want to have a lot of wisdom and new cars. And I love polo shirts. I also put down these 2 pictures because they're fun.
Go, Mally. Go, Mally. Hold up.
So, this is a person riding a bike, because I might be like one of them people who ride bikes on TV or something.
Oh.
And then, I got me a car. It's rusty though, but it's a cool car and I like it. I might be a race car driver one day. Pick up my plane for when I get rich. And I feel like being a comedy person. And here go my watch. I have thousands of watches. And this is my house. So is this one. My house.
Hold it up so we can see it.
The inside of the house. And these are smell goods because I like to smell good when I go places.
That's right.
We got a Louis Vuitton sign because I'm gonna have a lot of those things when I grow up. And this is gonna be my pet lion.
Smell good.
I got chicken because
That look good.
I like food. Said, do not do drugs. And I got some money and some basketball. And my say Black Lives Matter.
No, that's right.
And more money and more basketball.
Very good. You did it.
My poster, I put a toaster,
Why you laughing?
I don't know why. A printer, a camera, a pocketbook.
Go ahead, Amore, with your bad self. Come on, Amore.
A big ring, another purse, a house, a sign that says money on it, a diamond, a watch, another house, a Ralph Lauren sign, a Versace sign, a Gucci sign, another watch, another purse, and a diamond. Done.
And what's on the back?
Oh.
Nothing.
Okay. Let me hold it. Okay.
So I put Gucci, Versace, Fendi, and Louis Vuitton because when I get older, I want to have a lot of designer. I put an iPhone 8 because I'm growing with iPhones. I put watches because I like watches. I put a house for when I get older. 2 cars so I can flex. I put a Rolex sign and my name is Cartier, so I'll put Cartier.
I like that.
Nice, Cartier.
Okay, so I got a car, because I want a car. I got NFL, because I want to go to NFL. I got 34, because that's my number. And I got money, because I want to make money. I got 120 years old. I want to live long. I want an iPhone. I want to play football. I want a lot of cars. I want trophies. I want a good house. I want shoes. I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to be a comedian someday. And I like Netflix.
Okay, so I got a whole bunch of stuff going on here. So I got a couple different pictures with travel. So New Zealand, the world is your territory. So my goal is to take 6 to 8 trips a year. So that's my thing. Make a financial commitment to myself. And it also goes to where do I put my money now? Because I want to retire earlier instead of just working. So working for no one, not even myself. I want to just dead serious, just passive income.
Yeah.
So knowing where to invest to build my money so I can enjoy traveling more.
Yes.
And I would love this closet. So I have dreams of making my closet into that. Bathrooms on there. Thank you, Nero. Fortune goes back to the commitment to myself and how to invest in my money. And it's all about living because that's what we're here for. Be amazing at any age. That's amazing.
That's right.
And having a peace of mind. Rio was another place. And then not getting lost and just working and actually spending time with family.
Oh,
And reaching higher. And that's it. I was staying strong or else I ain't going.
Alright, so oh, I need glue. This is, I put Oprah because I love Oprah. She's the bomb. I have the background with the food because it's just a reminder to eat real well, taste the rainbow, the colorful plates. The more colorful your plate, the more healthier it usually is. Family circle, just want to have legacy, life because life is life. I have Malcolm X and what's her name again? That lady.
Senate lady.
Yeah, she's the Senate. She's a boss. She's the
Is
big
that Carol
bull.
Mosley Braun?
What is it?
Is it Carol Mosley Braun?
No.
That's not Condoleezza.
No. Starts with an M. Her name's
Marion.
Marion. No, I don't know. But y'all know who she is. She's a pit bull in the Senate or the Congress or what have you.
Yes, she is. Yes.
I love this saying. It says the best thing we serve is our community. I like this ring here. And you can make 100K from home, which is very true. I put Pisces because I'm a Pisces. Refined because, and I have it next to self-reflection because you always have to look at self. I love copper plates. My birthday, March 5th. No, let me stop. But I like that copper look. Imagine the possibilities because the possibilities is endless. All in the family. Want to build connections, work and wealth because if you don't work, you're not probably gonna get no wealth. Become because we're always becoming. Glamorous because who don't like to look glamorous? And healthy and happy because I would, even if you reached all of these goals, being healthy, I think, and happy goes together.
Definitely.
I have this desire to have like a staircase that goes up like this, so I put 2 of them. I don't know where the other one is. Maybe I couldn't fit it. But this is like kind of like how I wanted to look going up. I also never seen a copper, yeah, like a what is this called?
The countertop.
The countertop. Okay, so the copper is the countertop. This is the vision of my kitchen, and I think
Maxine Waters.
Oh, Maxine Waters. Yeah, that's her name. And garden planner because my goal is to eat 100% from my garden. Wherever I live has to have a fireplace. And I put who's that girl because I want to ask myself as an affirmation for myself, who's that girl? And I say, I'm that girl. Yeah. And then peace, love, and harmony. Get fit, so I gain a little pounds. And stay fit because at our one of our sermons that we had at church, they said that however we look right now, we probably gonna look like that for eternity. And so that got me motivated. I don't know if he just said he don't know if it's true, but just the idea. So I said, I gotta get fit. And that's it. That's my dream board.